Just hear me out. Hear me out. The new Rangers are nice. The Wildtrak, the Tremor, 2-litre bi-turbo, low mileage for 800k. This will set you back more or less 14,500 rand a month. Okay, you are the guy if you are driving this. And this is for any bucky guy, alright? Any bucky guy. If you can do 800k for a bucky, you're driving a nice bucky. Alright, but hear me out. What if we just drop that down to about 650 and you go for something a little bit more basic, still very, very nice, but a bit more basic. You finance it, you do your 6 years, and then you buy the more expensive bucky. So now you're not the guy, but you're just a guy, but you still have a nice bucky. The reason behind this is if you take the 650,000 rand bucky, still a nice bucky, you save 3,000 rand per month. Imagine you put that 3,000 into a tax-free savings account. You only do it for the 6 years of the financing of the bucky. After that, you decide you are gutful. You are buying the bucky. 800k, million rand, you are now the guy. But let's say you put in that 3,000 for the 6 years. And after that, you are done. You now have a paid off bucky, which you can go and use as a deposit on the bigger bucky. You're now obviously having a better installment. Everything doesn't matter. But take a look at the 3,000 that you invested into the tax-free savings account. So in total, you will have contributed 216,000 rand. But after 6 years, you would now stand on 314,000 rand. But remember, after 6 years, you're now buying the bigger bucky. You're done with the 3,000 per month. All right. You are just leaving this. You're just putting it aside. After 10 years, you now have almost 500,000 rand. If you leave it for 20 years, you are at almost 1.5 million rand. And after 30 years, you are sitting at almost 4.8 million rand. So would you rather just drive the lesser bucky now, just for 6 years, and make sure that you have almost 5 million rand laying around when you retire? Or do you want to be the guy now and not have a few million in the bank while driving that bigger bucky later?